What's up, Telliscopes? It's your girl Telisse, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be trying out my third prototype of the Curly Tails Deep Conditioner, aka the CTDC. For the third go around, the featured ingredients are still the same. They're Cupuaçu butter, Shea butter, and marshmallow root. I also added a few new things to this batch, but I'm going to keep those things a secret because I've gotten some advice from my subbies, Marla Morris and Blackberry 1972. I hope I'm saying your names right. And I also got some advice from my girl Healy Means, the DIY queen. I'm going to link her channel down below in the description, and you guys should definitely check her out and subscribe if you haven't already. She will definitely put you on to some bomb DIYs. And the advice that all three of them gave me was to keep some things a secret, so I'm not going to be sharing the changes I made to the recipe this time. I also want to give another shout out to Marla Morris because she's the one that came up with Telliscopes, so I definitely wanted to give her credit and say thank you for that awesome name. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subbies, and if you are new to my channel, welcome, and make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. Alright, this is what the deep conditioner looks like, and it is the most lightweight out of the three, and that's just because I added a bit more liquid this time. So if I end up liking this one the most, I will find a way to make it a bit more creamy, but I just want to see how the ingredients work on my hair. I don't need all of my deep conditioners to be super thick, so we'll see if I actually end up liking this lighter weight consistency. Okay, this is what the consistency looks like. And you guys can see how lightweight that is.
God! Wow! Oh my God!
I just finished applying the deep conditioner to my whole head, and as you guys can see, it did get a little bit messy, but I don't really mind that. I have to say that this one might be my favorite so far. I don't mind the lightweight consistency at all. I feel like it had the best slip and it applied the best to my hair. So I'm gonna go rinse out my hair really quickly, and then I'll be back to show you guys my results and let you know my final thoughts on prototype 3. I'm thinking that this is gonna be one of the ones that is in the battle next week. So you guys let me know down below in the comments what you're thinking about it and which 2 prototypes you wanna see battle it out. Hey Telliscopes, I'm back, and it's official. Prototype number 3 is my favorite. Let me show you guys how my hair is looking because it felt fabulous as I was rinsing it out. Look at this, it's so soft, so moisturized, and I got some definition in here. Okay, since I'm completely obsessed with prototype number 3, I'm gonna need your help deciding if prototype 1 or 2 is gonna be its competitor in the battle. So which one would you like to see go against this one? Let me know down below in the comments, and I'm also gonna be putting out a poll very soon. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.